LoRaWAN in the last year has grown over 60%. We have over 120 network operators around the globe. We also are in over 140 countries. Let me tell you, we're here. We're deployed, we're at mass scale, and we're driving forward. I am so thrilled to be here, and I'm so thrilled to bring this technology to India. LoRaWAN technology, particularly in India, will help overall improvement in both human and animal health, wellness, and safety.
What you see here is just the start of a growing ecosystem inside of the India IoT, and it's all LoRaWAN.
I think it is very crucial to have the certifications in place because it adds value and credibility to the product, so the customers know it's not going to fail.
What you see when you come to these LoRa Alliance events is the huge different variety of people from all over the ecosystem. And this really is a networking chance, one, to learn about LoRaWAN and all the different markets that we're actually getting into, but one of the other key advantages to allow you to meet with other members and talk and discuss with those other members what they're doing, how they're doing it, and how they're deploying devices.
Certification programs run very quick, and they're the best way to get the product certified. And it's a mark of the confidence for the buyers, and it's also, a peace of mind for all the OEMs who have deployed. There's no re-rolling back all the deployments across the market.
This event has been fantastic. A lot of use cases, case studies, ROIs have come out of this event. LoRaWAN, in our opinion, is the de facto standard